47% of all jobs will be replaced by AI. I read that in an article from Oxford, and I really don't know if I believe that. Because just 3 years ago, this thing couldn't even write proper sentences. I'm 17, go to school, and I use ChatGPT almost every day. Like 30 minutes. Alright, sometimes an hour. Yeah, alright, just let it do all of my work and I just do nothing. Yeah, I know, I'm lazy. And in all the time, it keeps making simple mistakes. So how is this supposed to replace billions of people? Because here's the weird part. Everyone still believes it will, just as Klarna replaced 700 jobs overnight because they thought AI would reduce response time. After a few days, the inbox was really full, but not with normal complaints like wrong payments, but with complaints about the AI itself. And after a week, they started bringing back real people to fix the mess. So they fired 700 people, then hired 700 people again. So isn't that funny? The CEO said the plan was supposed to reduce costs in the long term, but they didn't expect roughly 100 million loss and a $40 billion market cap drop. Yep, all because people stopped trusting the AI, or better said, Klarna. So here's the truth. Currently, AI will not replace all jobs. Important. What I read online, in every case, AI is just the excuse to fire more people.